I went from having really swollen ankles to literally almost no swelling in my legs. Hi, my name is Lisa, and I'm from New Jersey, and my experience here at Red River has been a challenge, but a positive challenge, because I'm on a mission to make my life better, and this was the place that I chose to come. I was really encouraged and supported here at Red River, just with all the information going on in the world about health and fitness and weight. This place helped me to focus on what God's plan for my life is. What stood out the most to me at Red River was, alongside the encouragement and support, I really enjoyed cooking classes and nutrition classes and the therapies. Also, I struggled with weight for a really long time, and the therapies helped, and the food that we learned to cook helped my weight go down, and I was really surprised by that, and it was really encouraging. Would I recommend Red River to anyone else? Yes, I would, because for me, I was looking for a foundation, and the program that they have here provides a simple approach to how we should be living, not only as Christians, but as everyday people. I feel very supported, I feel happy, and I feel like a part of the Red River Outpost family.